That's all the trash, Isaiah.
You done all both the tanks already?
Yes, they did their tanks earlier.
Okay, so we're just down to turtles.
And those are just like the tanks. It kind of lit up in there.
Alright, what are we going to grab next?
Those are kind of funny. Where's your wine?
We can't do the fireworks that go high in the sky yet.
There you go.
They're the last
You have to have a
thing we're
record of
gonna
these
do.
things. When we're old, we have to have something to do. Like watch old videos, look at old pictures. Come on.
Agreed.
What?
You wanna watch
I said agreed.
the finale. It's gonna be great.
Let's go, let's take a...
How else do you relive the good old days?
And how excited is your son going to be to watch videos of him blowing up fireworks?
But you're gonna have to back up. Really good, 'cause that's gonna shoot lots of sparks.
I meant like tomorrow.
Alright.
The one that landed about where you're standing, Rachel. So
Yep.
keep that in mind.
Look at it. Look at it.
Turn around and watch it, Isaiah.
Those are cool, I like those.
Yeah, maybe they protect the babies. I'm willing to sacrifice myself, but you better all protect the babies.
That's why I stood up, just in case.
Let's do the rocket.
That was
run
better,
and
but
take
now
a
my feet are so blurry. I'm not even gonna land. Apparently I'm too
Let's
drunk
do
to
a
take
rocket.
pictures.
I'm gonna do
Where
a
are your
rocket.
rockets?
They're
Are they in the house?
inside.
Hold it up.
They're on the mantle.
We're gonna go get rockets. They're excited about it.
Yeah, they're. I want to do it.
They fell in my wine.
I'm too drunk. Can't keep my camera straight enough. Oh, maybe I should zoom back out. Maybe that was part of it.
So who's driving home tonight, Dominic?
I'm not sure. I was hoping you.
I got my rocket. I'm gonna do
Better, but I still am off.
Your rocket?
Yeah.
Did you not catch the fact that ashes got dropped in my bottle, in my glass of wine?
What got dropped in your glass of wine?
Ashes from the punk.
That's okay. It's sterile.
Oh, yeah.
It smells pretty good though.
Almost like incense.
It is incense.
4th of July.
That's basically what it is. I'm.
5 to go and I'm in the lead, babe.
I'm gonna.
You're in the lead.
Can I borrow? Can I have the puck for a little bit?
Yeah, Elijah.
Me and
You
David.
realize that's going to blow up.
I know.
Okay, alright. We're on the
Okay.
same page.
We're going to the.
You dropped ashes from the punk into my wine.
Who did?
You did.
From the what?
When you gave it to me, the ashes fell into the wine.
That's okay.
Fiber.
It's fine.
Are you wanting to wait to shoot off the black one to make sure he?
Yeah.
We might
That's
do
his.
the red one. Yeah.
That's his.
No, the black one is Isaiah's. I'm not sure he understands it's going to blow up.
So we want to make sure
have
he.
to do it.
We want to make sure he knows what's gonna happen.
Isaiah, we're going to watch Elijah's. Oh.
Oh crap!
Elijah's launching his rocket.
0 and Batman.
Isaiah, watch the rocket.
0
Woo!
Isaiah did some fireworks. Did you see that?
She didn't like the fireworks.
No.
Isaiah, you want to light yours or do you want me to light it for you? Since this is kind of thick.
Isaiah, do you want to light your fireworks or do you want to just keep the rocket?
I'm to my rocket.
I think he wants to play with his rocket.
That's fine.
For a little bit. Let's let him play with his rocket.
Very safe boy.
I
What
know.
do I do?
Yeah, it's on Toby to keep because it's.
Maybe by the end of the night or something.
Away from that this time, though. Last time we were too close to it.
That was loud, wasn't it, baby girl?
Maybe we should put it on the launch.
Put it on the launch pad and run away from it.
Yeah. It's really dangerous.
flashing ones.
How blurry am I?
You're not very blurry. My other ones were kind of blurry. Come home very steady.
Oh, big wreck! Oh!
Did it take you out?
No, I'm in front of it.
Oh, good.
Amazing. That is cool.
Tell me you're a punk.
How many did
We're
the
gonna have a
big
green, white
Punk,
checker.
so I get a picture of you with your punk.
Okay.
One more. Your crazy
There's a
picture.
little bitty fuse on it.
I got a side shot of that.
Because this thing has a little bitty fuse on it.
Yeah, let
Alright?
Uncle Brian
Let
do
me
it.
light this one. I don't even know what this does.
Yeah, why don't you stay back here? It has a short fuse. Let's keep you back a little ways, okay? So the fireworks can be very dangerous.
Well, I can one kind of short.
I know. But
Anything with a
anybody's
short
losing a
fuse
finger
can
here,
be
it's
kind of
not you.
dangerous.
People and fireworks.
Hang on just a minute.
That's like what we're gonna do with finale. That's what we're gonna. I'm gonna do the first.
Wow.
Well,
Is that pretty?
A flame is there.
well, at least I could have done that because. Let's do that again. I could. I
You're real concerned about this wire. They're trying
Alright.
Which wire?
Daddy, I'm going
What
inside.
do you want to do?
Oh, you can't damage it.
What do you want to do next?
Okay, Ben. Isaiah, can we do your rocket? Yes.
Do you
You
want
want
to
to
launch
go
your
launch
rocket?
it? It's going to launch up in the air and explode.
Yeah,
explode.
it's not coming back. Do you know that?
Well,
Yeah, it'll explode. It'll be gone.
You can do it?
And we could
Just
do
like in
another one, but next time we do.
Just like in Toy Story.
Yeah.
Let's go launch it. Come on.
Wait a minute.
Rockets
explode.
The big one.
The big one.
Have you all seen that once or twice?
Okay, I'm coming.
Twice, quite the understatement.
What?
Okay, you wanna watch it. Isaiah, you gotta watch it.
Like the rocket?
It's not the pop.
Your rocket was so cool, buddy.
Isaiah,
rocket.
we'll get you another
wishing
one next
sound.
time we do
What do you
fireworks.
think? How fast do you think
Maybe
that
she's
would go?
crying because the wishing sound reminds her of being in the womb, which is where she would prefer to be.
No, I think it's because it sounds like a projectile is going to hit you.